I thought about it more, and I think instead of using the regular couplers, I'm going to use the ones that you screw in, because I might have to do this with one hand. These are the regular couplings, or what they call compression couplings, like the ones I used yesterday. But I'm thinking about giving this a try. The reason is because this one goes into the tube and then you screw it to tighten it. So this seems more like something I might be able to do with one hand, versus this requires pressing it into place. Before I go out there in the hot sun with the 100 degrees weather, I thought I owe it to myself to do a trial run so that I'm not doing any guesswork while I'm trying to get this repair done. So I got here 24-inch irrigation tubing and the part that I'm going to use to repair it. What I'm trying to figure out is how much of the tubing do I need to cut to maintain the same length. So I'm at 24 inches and I want, when I'm done putting on this coupler, I want to be at 24 inches. So it seems like when you insert the tubing, it looks like it's about ½ an inch. So I got about ½ an inch there. So that means that from this end to that end, I've got roughly about 3 inches, and I should push back a ½ inch, plus another ½ inch on this side, which leaves me with about 2 inches. That's the measurement of tubing that I need to cut, about 2 inches. But since I won't have a ruler with me down there, I'm gonna have to measure with my fingers. It looks like it's more like 3 fingers. Here we go. I'm gonna try it like that. I'm gonna get under there, try to line it up. I should feel if it's parallel. Okay, it could be done with one hand, which I did. Should look something like this when I'm done underground, after I cut it. From the cutting point, that's about another ½ inch. So each finger is about almost a ½ inch. So I'm going to cut about 2 finger widths. 2 finger widths right here. Okay. Tighten it. Get the other side in there. I should be at 24 inches. And I am. Okay. So there we go. I'm just going to measure 2 finger width. That will remove the right amount of tubing so that I could remain at the same length. Okay. I believe I am ready for this. Let's go out there and see if this works. I've only been here like a couple minutes. I'm sweating already. Let's see if we could take a peek inside there. Okay, those are the lines. The one on the back side is the one that's broken. It's so hot out here that this is probably not the best angle for the camera, but if I get it in the sun, my camera's gonna overheat and shut down. Okay, so you already know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Trying to get this in there. I already got lube on both ends. I already know what I need to cut, what measurements I need to cut. Oh, cut myself. Alright, I don't have enough room. I need to dig a little bit more. So I have to take out more dirt. I didn't have enough room for the cutting tool. And it's all sand down there now. Alright, I think I'm ready to cut it. I got the tool on the tubing. And then moving it into place. Checking if it's parallel. Cut. Tubing is cut. It's filling up with water in there. Now, to cut the other end, it has to be 2 finger lengths in the end. Moving it into position. I got it there. That's about right. Yep, I need it to be 3 finger widths. And it looks like it's not 100% flush, but should be good enough. Second round. Let's try this again. Looks like I got the bottom end this time. Well, let's do the other side. Alright, now I'm tightening it. Alright, that's as tight as I can get it. Alright, I'll just try it out. I can feel water going through. I believe we're good. There's no leak. That's it right there. That's where it was leaking. It looks like it's fixed. What's going on here? That one's broken too. Okay, that's where the hole is on this one. Repair again should be pretty simple. Quick. I'm gonna use this one instead of the regular coupler. Probably should have cut a little bit more, but we'll go with that. Looks like there's some flexibility here to push it back. I think I like this one better. It seems like it goes in easier, quicker too. Although it does cost more. This one's like twice as much as the other coupling. Okay. Try it out now. Water coming out from the drip lines. Alright. This one is fixed. Right, now let's go take care of the one in front. For this one I will need my gloves because of the rocks. See the leak right there? More than enough. That's all I needed to see. Okay, so what I did is I cut it right next to the other coupler. Should be fine. There's no rule that says that you can't put a coupler next to a coupler. Okay, I guess I should have cut it a little bit shorter, but it's good. It's in there. Let's test it. Okay, it's running. Right. Drip line behind it is working. And I see no signs of any leak over here. Okay. Now I just gotta cover up this mess. That takes care of that. And concludes my work for this weekend, fixing drip lines. Yeah, I truly did not enjoy that. Not the way that I want to spend my weekend. I have been here 5 years now, and every year I'm having to fix these drip lines, broken sprinkler head. I think part of it is due to the fluctuation in the pressure, the water pressure, but also a lot of it has to do with the temperature. You know how we have the extreme heats and the extreme colds over here. It does mess with the irrigation system. I know it's not just me, because my neighbors tell me the same thing. You know, that they at this point, some of them feel that they should have just replaced the entire sprinkler irrigation system by now. I appreciate it if you watched the entire video. I hope you learned something from it. I'll be seeing you in the next do-it-yourself home repairs video that I got coming up. There's always something to fix here.